What's the meaning of cornfield? Cornfield. Cornfield.
Cornfield. Cornfield. A cornfield is an agricultural field where corn, also known as maize, is grown. Corn is a cereal grain that is widely used for food, animal feed, and biofuel production. Cornfields are typically large, open, and flat areas of land with rows of tall corn plants growing in them. The plants often reach heights of 8 to 10 feet and have large, green leaves. In the late summer or early fall, the corn is harvested by cutting the plants down and removing the ears of corn from the stalks.